Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. So right now, it's a bright morning. Let me show you outside how it looks like. Look, that's my baby right there. So guys, on this table, I want to have something to eat and then taking you outside. Let me wash my hand right here. Oh my god. Eto nakujenge. Hey. Wow. Amo ufunge mbili. Okay. Guys, me want to take breakfast. No problem. Can you chai, man? No way. Taki kunywa chai. Okay. Kombe vita. Tunakendekera.
Amora.
Boy.
Mbere.
And okay, I need this cup, guys. I was looking. Oi, uchare. Okay? Kikombe gani? Sio chukua. So that's my chapati right there. Quick and fast. Nani? Temki chapat. So this Thermos flask. Yeah, we just over. Guys, I finished taking my breakfast there. So right now I'm taking you outside to see what's going on. Wow. Yeah, I'm just over here. I'm telling you guys, it's all morning over here. Wow. Let's go and see what's next. Eh? Aye, that's my baby. Masubo, ndio ufungwe nini kamba? Hey. They cut these napier grass. They cut grazing here. Right here. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And today I'll update you more videos which are coming soon. Okay. Well, guys, so right now I'm heading this way, guys. Wow, I left my baby outside. That is it. It's my baby, and I'm taking them to the car wash right now. Heading straight, guys. Today it's a bright day, man. We can't complain. Oh, at all. And in case any of you guys subscribe to my channel, road to 7K subscribers soon. I wanna share with you. So I'm heading that way, and technically, guys, I'm taking my baby to the car wash right now in Bora town. Let's go. Guys, right now today we want to take this truck from here, and I have the tractor, so the board for the lorry. Man at work, I'll show you guys. This one will take away this tractor. See this tractor, you see. Hey, hey, something amazing. Wow. I'll show you how men are working here. Yeah? Unasemaje?
Anasema upaki ile peke kwa juu, upaki kwa John Bosco huko.
Haya. Wow. Let me show you. Let me show you how people work so hard here, guys. I'm telling you. It's not an easy job. Right here, you see.
Kumahere.
Kusikia kunatoka arura. Yaani mukarutire mpaka hivi. Uwo muti gucha gukomya mpaka gusevoke.
Ono ko gatatu. Zengu jara kenga baada ya mtema.
Angere kwa kiende.
Atatikana na kiju.
Angere kwa
Ungetoa hiyo uweke kubwa. Wacha kubwa kupa hiyo kubwa. Toa hiyo mayani.
Hiyo mayani.
Toa hizo. Toa hizo mayani.
Toro kwanto kulito. So engeri yende kiko chimba bwe. Mawazo ni aya. Kiambo mote ko yongo nguni chako kote ha. Kotana.
Yato sio yuko kukuhana.
Kama ndo kono kuhike mu.
Ngogonde kuja. Ngogonde kuja. Ategera ko yihe mu. Ategera hayo kuyu. Ategera ko ngogonde na sui katena. Kibebere.
Matemo mote kono kuhike furi mu kabisa.
Kama mayani muti gucha.
Tatema ko yoko so higa. Na chichi ko ko tatema ko.
Oh guys, our car grazing here. Whew. So let's see my bricks right now. Yo! Hey, mama renari gatat. There's my bricks, guys. Ngezunguka hapo ndio ije hivi. Kwa gari aire so mogoro. Mahai. Kusini rahete handa rahete no sawa. Ma kumusense hai. Just let me show you. Right here. Oh guys, it's by God's grace. So yesterday, because of time here and there, even guys, sorry, I don't care, I didn't change my shirts. There's a KK or tuk-tuk. There's a KK or a tuk-tuk. Bring for my bricks right now here, guys.
Tere sana. Tani uri na matete mo na tume gonindi na ko tum jan ko rega ti ana na te mere le ga fitani. Anani mukundu moyo.
Alright guys, so right now I'm back home, and on today's videos I want to have a talk with my sister. Kuja. So guys, you've been supporting a lot, and I can't complain. So right now my sister, she feels so okay, and by Monday next week she wanna go back to school and continue the study, guys. Wow guys, so me, I love to pass on these beautiful trees as I vlog, and I'm waiting my sister to come right now, so to ask her how she was feeling right now. Wow, you know guys, and sorry guys for my premiere again today, no premiere. So there's some challenges here and there, guys, you know, you won't understand right now. So me, I'm taking you around and see how the day goes. I'm going to meet with my sister to ask her how she was feeling right now, because man, you're watching my videos like last week on weekend, it was very terrible to my sister. You know, she feels so sick, she can't talk, she can't speak, man, even she can't eat anything. So right now I want to have my sister some few minutes, and then I'll go and talk with my mama, and then after that I'm heading to Border Town, so technically to wash my bike. Wow. So guys, in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please guys subscribe, like, comment and share. That's the best way you can support the Elobebo Official. And I'm just over here to chase my dream every day. And these videos, it's continuation. Actually guys, I want to add the videos which I head to the party for my friend at Nyabohanse. That's Hosea. I was celebrating there, and I shoot videos like 9 to 10 minutes, so I want to upload it today, so because I don't want maybe people say, okay, hello baby, they shoot videos here, they didn't upload, or this and this, blah blah blah. I don't mind. So today, after shooting these videos, going to Border Town, I'll join the videos for the party, so technically you'll be there and see how we celebrate. Doda.
Nakuombea Mungu. Hebu kusema tena kuda hata mnadeni Omaro achira kuna heri. Kwa kitu ambao hajui. Anaeleza kitu ambao hana mahakika. Era basungu bakwambaka no.
Ekigutuna.
Nina nkuhanjira. Na bila nakupenda.
Atunenkwande. He was my grandfather.
Yes. I'm hungry me.
You're hungry. So what?
And give me at 100 is fit.
For what?
For
me right now, I'm not a bank. So what can I help you apart from the money?
Okay.
Nkigutuna.
Ninda tunega.
Nkuguri nyama. Enoso.
Yes. I'll give me this meat.
You need meat. Okay, wait me there. Hiukuya.
Uni niko tu.
Anganyambe hano soki isumancho na kahara.
Good.
Because I was promising a lot every time, guys. So today I'm going to buy for him a half kg for the meat in your hands. So wait me, I'm coming.
Yes.
Okay, onganya hano ben. So achuru hano nge. Aya. Sacha mekanda kongai. Okay guys, let me go and talk with my sister, and then that's my grandma from like he was the brother for my grandma from another mother. So every time when he see me around, he said, okay, buy for me even a sugar. buy even for me meat or anything. Right now, he requests from me money, and me, I'm not the guy who tolerate like to give people's money. I'm not a bank. So what I'm going to do, let me buy for him the meat, and he wanna come and cook, you know. So oh man, my sister, she was waiting me there. Probably, let's see. And on today's videos, guys, I was waiting the mason, so he didn't come. Even you see my videos there, I was buying the tuk-tuk, bring the bricks. He didn't come. Imagine, it's right here. I have my sister A to the world. Say hello.
Hello.
How was everything?
Good.
Yes. Unajisikiaje sasa meno?
Vizuri.
Yeah, guys, I'm asking my sister, how now do you feel the teeth? Because if you remember, on last week in weekend, the day for my sister was very terrible. Right now she can smile. Look, I can touch even her. Umemeza dawa? Yeah, they can smile. Guys, me sorry guys, me, I want to say, guys, thank you so much, because without you, even on that day, I couldn't maybe support my sister, taking her to the hospital. And thank you so much for those people stand with me, supporting me every day, watching the videos, comment, like, and as you keep pushing my watching hour, at the end of the month I do something, you know. So imagine guys, it's by God's grace. All my family, my dad's family, depend on me, because on this platform I gain something, I share with my family. If you're watching my last video, I was surprising my mama with 20 kg cooking oil, 50 kg of rice from Tanzania. I made the videos, they are there. And mom, thank you so much for supporting that. Thank you a million. And also mom, thank you so much for supporting my borehole. And that your borehole, I'll do something for that, because right now my sister, she was around here, and the kids came from my neighbors. Actually, somehow my family are extended and nuclear family, so they came at my home, prayed with my sister. And sometime maybe you wanna find maybe somebody fall in the borehole, and then it's bring chaos and confusion here and there, and conflict, you know, here and there. So right now, I bring the bricks very early in the morning. So I'm gonna go and show you right there. So sasa hivi Jumatatu utaenda shule? Yeah guys, my sister is supposed to go on Thursday to school, but I told my mama no, let my sister recover enough, and then by Monday she'll go to school and capture where the other reach. But on Thursday morning, I told mama, you just go. The best you can do, go to school, get a report from home that one of the student or your daughter are feeling sick, so they will be here on Monday probably. You can see, guys, my sister, how she was smiling. It's true, you guys. And even I remember this clothes. No, it's not this one. Guys, you support my sister a lot, buying her clothes, shoes, school uniform, everything. And she was a love of mandazi and chapati and also rice. Guys, what can I say? Me, I want to say thank you so much, because dream are valid. And I'm just outside here to chase my dream every day. Let's go, my sister, home. Wow, that's my sister. When she found me at home, she just vibing with my sister, guys. Look, she was very young, and I want to take her responsibility to her, guys, because I value her education, so she can get able to be educated, you know. Look. And she was respectful to me also, guys. Imagine, I'm the firstborn, guys. I must support my family as I can, and when something hectic, there's no need maybe to do like this. So we're taking my sisters home, and I want to share with you the bricks which I brought in the morning. Wow. Wow, guys. Oh man, this avocado, it's far from here. Wow. Mama Konda. Mom. Come, mom. Guys, welcome home. These are my batty gates. Don't mind. Mom. Hey, Bruno to the world. Nowadays you miss my camera, Bruno. Hey, my dog is growing so quick. Look at the eyes. Okay. Well, guys, and right here, that's my mom's house. This is the tank. Hey! Hi. Can you say? Wait, say hello.
Hello.
That's my mama, guys. And right now, I'm going to do something else, something special. That's my mama, guys. If you don't know my mom, that's my mama. So let me show you once more the bricks. Imagine, guys. Up to right now, I wait the mason. He didn't come. Mama, murakundi kira mantano ni chandruba. Ama broku kano angotero. So this is the bricks. So it's so big, man. Look from here up to here. It's so big, so big. And I bought these bricks 20 USD Kenyan, 20 USD, and in Kenyan money it's 2,000 Kenyan shillings. This one that you see here, So also yesterday we bought the sand for my borehole right here. So guys, I wanna work for this borehole. Even today, as I drop my mama to the church, I'm going to pass at Nyabohanse to see whether the mechanic or welding, actually the welding guy have started making the door of this borehole here. Man, I'm telling you, everything here right now, it's totally expensive. Mama twende. Yeah, guys, because right now my mama, she went to the church for the seminar. I need to drop her. Look, that's a small rounder. That's my cousin clothes. Let's take my mama to church for the seminar. Today is not a normal church day, but she went for the seminar right there. Hey, Yaboni, Kimbi one. Kadi no kumbe mwana ya rengi. Kata kusiri. Yaboni. Oh. Yaboni. Hey. So I didn't even kumbe kadi mo ya rengi. Oh guys. Uniekea hii kwa ile kitengo yenye nakaa. Okay. Guys, I'm struggling here and there. Don't mind. Sorry for that. We need the key, and then it's the best way to escort my mama to church. my god. I can't. Oh guys, so right now we're just outside taking my mom to church. Yamuki kanisa ni chango sore. Tariga nigo tiamuki kanisa niche.
Nkanisa nkuya.
Doda ningo tebri tanga nywa hayo. Tiamuki kanisa niche. Yamuki kanisa niche doda. Sasi watanga na. Let's go. Wow. Hey. Heading straight. Wow. Hey, today it's a calm day, chilling day. Hassan and her mother outside. Hassan and his mother. That's my mom, guys. What a blessing day, guys. Taking my mom to church for the seminar. Okay. That a nice house gate. Wow. Yeah, guys, when you have the motorbike, it helps us a lot and a lot. Kids are coming from school. See the kids. Okay, guys. Wow. So I need to slow down, guys, because we have the kids came from school. It's kids or students. I'm not sure of that. This is a rental house right here. Another one, according to the price. So let's go. Oh. For you. That's how it looks like. Let's go. That's how the Bansa market looks like. Telling you, it's the other side. getting the main tarmac road. With my African mom. That's what Nyabanza looks like. I'm telling you guys. Let's go. There's a church right there. Hey. Woo, guys, that's the beauty of my village right here. The church is right there with maroon and shit. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. I'm going to see that grandpa which I promised him. Alright guys, I want to give him the bread. He postponed. Odi, that's what happened. Dada!
Dada! What do you do?
You need bread. Instead of meat, you buy bread.
Lovely.
It's scary. Takuntana pesa kanyangu kwa pera nui. Pale.
Akana pana ukuni. Charo safi, Mungu.
Aye?
Bwana mnakuwa maboja.
Hapo mugate. Waka hule daro, toto hama mugate.
Yeah.
Mugate. Nirenga.
65.
Iskaremo. Irenga kupima.
Gutati. I'll be me 50.
You have a 30.
Sasa ameniuliza ile.
Wewe ni lengo kupima. Unaanzia 30.
Naanzia 30 kwenda juu.
Kama haya 50 mbaya.
Anasema kitu.
Hata wewe unaanguka hiyo mtihani ni ya 30. Unatumia biashara ya chini kabisa. Sio ya juu. Wangangu sema sana.
Okay.
Tuendelee.
You go. There's a machine here. There's a couch. I'm actually going to stem. So thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys.
We are so excited. This is the happy moments. When you're ready now to eat, you feel good about everything. My good name is Priska Sagati. In charge of the kitchen sector, as always, as you know. Cooking time, it's Sagati. So eating time is everybody.
And you are my grandma.
I'm Hello Baby's grandma.
Maybe I will launch first. I will eat with my hands.
Wanawe mikono.
Ane ni vichiko bene.
Ni mingi.
Wenye watakulia wakulie, wenye watakata ni shida. Ziko wapi hizo? Ni mkono, si ndio?
Musa. Unitaka uswitch off.
Kidogo.
Lakini hii party ni invite.
Redeke celebrating.
Ngoja kidogo. Relax.
Continue koko.
Sasa nitakuwekea rice bila nyama. Nataka
grandpa continue, grandma.
Sikiria.
Okay guys. Kids are crying. Okay, take that kids. Continue grandma. As we wait. Hakuna siku hiyo.
Kata kidogo la fuka.
Alright guys, we have banana, we have cucumber. Also right here we have the food so yummy. Wako tiguninda agare nkake.
Siwezi tolerate kukosa.
No. It's 001.
Yes, me
Let's
here
flow.
with my plates.
Yes.
These are original plates
Hey.
from Wakihala.
I'm so hungry like a goat. Let me wait the food. Yeah.
But there is no way the goat can be hungry. Wait,
You wait.
Tunasabu hivi.
Yes. No, it's this way.
Protocol inakuanga yes.
Grandma, me I need the pirau.
Tunasabu zote.
This pilau.
This is
Hey, my grandma served me. Hey, that can put a little though.
why? Usipakue chakula hautamaliza. You serve what you'll finish,
Yes.
not throwing food. Njoo hapa.
Let's go easy. Yeah. Put meat, usiniweke supu bwana. Kina mifupa. Yeah. And also here. Yeah.
Just pick one.
One banana, put me there. No, cucumber. Mkona kushangara. Mtakushito.
No, I'm the serve.
Okay, put cucumber, 2 of them.
Guys, this is
This is cucumber.
Easy.
I don't want to talk too much. Hey. I got nothing that food, man. Oh. Best is the winner. Guys, no spoon. But anyway.
Dagi! Unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi?
No problem. Lakini wao unaenda kutomera amaboko.
Nimeiona lakini sasa
Eh, no haka no mondo.
Weka hapa mwenye nataka tachukua.
No pilau here.
lakini sasa sijui kama ni ya kuuza.
Soda ziko mura.
Jamani, ukula tena wali. Mwenye anataka kula.
Mlishoneze wanyama.
Unaomba kangana kwa pia.
Hello, Priska. Priska, check. I'm so glad that keep watching our video.
Yes, guys. Hey, hello, baby. You have been recording and you don't know.
Here's the recording.
Okay.
Guys, let's also say hello and it's time to leave. Me, I'm going home.
Are you not going to test the cake?
Oh, you have the cake?
We are going to cut the cake.
Okay, my brother, enjoy.
Yes. What's
Just
up,
say
guys?
hello.
I am _Hosea here, and we are celebrating, guys. It's my time now to eat, and I thank God for this milestone that finally we are celebrating, you guys. It has been actually a long journey. Oh God,
You are a fighter, bro. Thank you so much.
Patience,
you fight a lot.
Patience pays.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Grinding so hard.
Imagine, bro.
Yes.
So now we are celebrating here. I have the pillar.
The owner of this party
Imagine,
is Hosea
guys.
right here.
Yeah. Guys, continue supporting my brother. Hello, baby, official. And your love and support is really appreciated,
Yeah,
guys.
guys.
Yeah, man.
We have history with the Hosea.
Bro, we started together
Imagine,
this journey.
I was a 0 subscriber
Imagine.
and you are ahead of me.
I was just ahead of you with
Yes.
30, and now I was not that far. I was 100 plus by the time we began. So you just began it maybe while I was just like 2 weeks in the game.
But it's not bad.
Yeah,
you know,
but
YouTube is a game changer.
God has reasons why everything happens in such a way. So we have to appreciate it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you feel right now?
I'm happy. Actually, with this hair, actually the cloud of people over here is something that I was not expecting. And the food, it's enough. You can see even
Look.
some of them.
Man, we have soup here.
And whereby it's really amazing.
Wow.
Yeah. I thank God.
Thank you, bro.
Guys, let's
You-
enjoy this together.
Yes.
And go and check me out. I am _Hosea.
And
Your love
remember,
support, it's really
yes,
appreciated,
it's not
guys.
easy
It's not
to
easy.
feed those people around here. It's a lot
Kunaenda.
of people.
So,
It's a lot of people here.
actually a lot of people over here, and I thank God that the budget, it was good. None was just like complaining. Everybody used to get it's actually like a portion. It's and they have celebrated. Let me know from you. Are you okay? Are you full? Are you satisfied?
Bro, I can't complain.
Yeah.
Right now I'm full. You know right now where I am, my body, I can eat a little food and then I'm full.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Unatoka na tuja
Kasongo bado keki. Bado keki. Hey, Kasongo.
Asimama hapo. Ona, guys, this is brother Dagi. Today we are at Hosea place, at Hosea home, and we're gonna be able to say thank you, Hosea, by just making this party, big party, big party,
You're full.
and we have enjoyed. Yes, because a lot of food they are here. So guys, for us here,
If you want to add addition, guys, let me show
no,
you.
me I'm good. Me I'm good.
You have rice here. No problem.
Bana, simama tu hapo.
Mrabado cake. Guys, there's a cake here. So me there's no need to eat cake. Then here. Haya kasongo. Chill.
Also, guys, we have the champagne.
Congratulations. Wow. Wow.
And here, it's Ben.
Excuse me, guys.
Hey.
Okay, so kindly, I could like to take this opportunity
I'm the
to
prefect.
the actually church elders. We have some of the church elders over here, so that they can just say something. Because we invited them, and then we're gonna proceed maybe with the champagne and also the cake. Alcoholic? No.
None.
So that we don't start.
Really, bro. Yeah.
Alcoholic.
So let me invite them. Let me just give them the opportunity.
Yesu alisema ondeni kidogo lakini msilewe. Yeah, you are Christian, guys.
Champagne.
Alcoholic.
Shamto. Wow.
With your mom?
With your fiance?
Or you have a word to tell the people first?
Okay.
Yeah.
Before I cut the cake.
Yes.
Actually.
Sema ikutoke.
Yeah.
Sema
I've received $50 from Shopping Iron.
Wow, thank you, Sharpening Iron. Thank you. So the thing is that actually I do appreciate your presence, all of you over here, whereby actually what I was not maybe not sure of it, but I thank God that God used to touch all of you, and you just like God said it, to showcase over here. So let the living God continue blessing you, showering your blessings. And my friend, I'm gonna ask you maybe to continue with the same spirit. Let's just work as a family, since we are just in the same industry. We have to work as a family and show love every single moment, every single day. So for this step, actually for this milestone that we are celebrating here, I thank God because it have not been easy for me. It have been like 1 year plus since I used to start this industry, and currently, as you can see, we are just celebrating here. So I thank you also for just appreciating me, so that we can just do a lot of collabs from you every single day. You have been supporting me, the likes, all of you here. We have been doing collaborations, and you have been supportful to me. You have been showing me, or say this the way that you have to follow, or this how you have to do this. And I do appreciate your support and your love, my good people. And also our audience who are watching this, I do appreciate you. Since you have been actually supportive to me, you have been supporting me by just playing my playlist in order to see me shining. So today I'm here appreciating, and actually it's something great that I'm also shining, and we are celebrating with good people. So let the living God continue blessing you, showering your blessings, and for the family that used to support this in order to have this actually to celebrate here today, I do appreciate, and let the living God actually continue blessing you, showering you, and your pockets will never dry. Amen. So the mighty God has a lot of plans into your lives and into your families. I trust and believe that before you there are a lot of things that are just coming. So glory be to the living God.
Amen.
I appreciate for that.
Amen.
I appreciate my God people. Yeah.
People can see you are too black.
Shalom.
Yeah. So let me say shalom. So that's how it is. And I appreciate my good people. Yeah, I have not much to say. I could like to appreciate that. And maybe I can give this opportunity to my mom to say hi.
Yes.
Yeah, you can just come over and say
Hey, African mom.
the mother of the really African man from this side.
Yes.
Yeah.
Happy
Yeah.
today
Yeah.
to see my son here, to see my tutor here, friends, brothers, all of them.
Yes.
So that continue to support my son here.
Amen.
And I am very happy.
Yeah.
Everybody, I am welcome at my home, and to be one, and
Yeah.
Okay, and also I would like to give this opportunity to Priska because she has been also involved. She has been supportful to us, working with us since morning.
Thank you. Actually, I'm
the patron.
The patron. Yeah, when you have a party, hire me, guys. I deliver.
Free. Free.
Hire me.
Free.
Hire me.
For free.
When you have a party, hire me.
Okay.
Yes.
Hire.
Jose has paid me big money. Okay. Yeah.
Stories are jaba hizo.
Hire me. Yeah. So guys, actually, thank you so much, Hosea, for even considering to call me. Even though you called me late, you briefed me when it was late that I come and help you. Yeah. And I had to deliver. I'm that one person who never disappoints. Even today I was very busy. There are some trees I was carrying from somewhere. You know, I was carrying them and I was like...
Carrying. Not cutting.
No.
Sharing and caring. English is Englishing.
No, carrying, not cutting. I don't have that. I don't know that English. I'm used that English of the Vesco. Those who grew here knew it. It. So I was carrying those trees. They were so heavy. It took me time. You'll watch in my channel. You'll see what I'm talking about.
Yes.
So I was there. I was like, I need to go to Hosea. I need to go to Hosea, and they were like, those guys were like, kwani huyo Hosea ni nani mwenye unataka uende kuona? Nasema nyinyi mtu ajua, you won't know. So we kept in touch, calling, please Hosea, do this, do that. So when he came, when I came, the meat was ready. I started the rice and everything, and we have eaten. Also the cake, we ordered for it yesterday. Yeah.
So actually, Hosea, maybe one word to sharpening iron. Yeah. Because he has give you, let me say, he has supported you with 50 USD.
Wow, thank you.
And then the comment is that it has been a long journey, but you have made it. Yeah. Congratulations and God bless you. God bless your journey.
Amen.
Actually,
here, front. Madabahuni.
Thank you so much for everyone who has come. I've arrived a bit late, but I'm really happy to see all of you here. Yeah. And also I couldn't miss this opportunity because also for Hosea, it's like a motivation also to me. Yeah, like every day is posting videos. Even if a video gets 5 or 6, tomorrow another video. So that is the spirit that we should all have. Let's look at the future. Don't look at today. Just keep posting. I know maybe some of you have not yet reached 1,000 subscribers. Some are still trying to get the watch hours. Look at Hosea, yeah? He's been on YouTube more than a year and maybe some months. And he's still uploading every day. And you never know, maybe some people, you can be blessed even with 200 subscribers, 300. So just keep hoping for the best and also doing the best. And also don't forget to always, after uploading a video, tell God that I've done my best. Now it's your turn to do the rest. So thank you so much, everyone.
Yeah. Without forgetting Gake. Where is Gake?
Guys,
Kata usiogope. Kata kubwa. Come and do a video for the cake.
Subscribe, like, share, comment.
Boom. Hosea, comment, like, subscribe. Kata sio ugali. Kata kubwa. Kata usiogope. Kata wewe mwenyewe. Kata Hosea, kata. Kata keki, kata. Kata usiogope. Kata wewe mwenyewe. Kata usiogope. Kata ukikata. Toa maburudani.
Jamani, kashampeni katapoa.
Wenye wana haraka waende ndo tupungue.
Jamani, kashampeni kanapoa. Yes, we just over here, guys.
Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki. Kata keki. Kata keki tule sote. Kata keki. Kata keki. Kata keki na kipenzi. Kata keki na kipenzi, kata keki. Kata keki. Kwani amkati amwimbi
Kata keki.
Kwani mimi tu ndio nataka keki?
Jamani.
Kata keki tule sasa. Kata keki tule sasa. Subiri. Ndio naambia subiri kidogo. Kata keki. Kata keki.
Na sauti simama. Zinatokea upande za nyuma. Simama.
Big up! Boom! Boom!
Ni ndogo ndogo.
Ndogo ndogo. Alafu wengine wako waende nyumbani.
Wow.
Haya, mlishe bibi yako. Tuone anavyokula. Kama anakula kubwa, usiogope dada.
Panua mdomo.
Kula vile